Hello everybody, happy hump day. It's Wednesday. Got myself a little pasta. I made some shrimp in it with tomatoes, broccoli, rice noodles, and I used some butter and heavy cream. New trick, because as I home cook a lot, I'm teaching myself new tricks and Googling ideas. And I gotta have my water. Well, my blessing is at school. And I'm getting a lot of chores done and projects. And yes, you guys can see that's from yesterday. The lipstick it's stained on. I've been doing chapstick and it's slowly coming off. So for now, I'm just leaving it. And I'm also done puppy sitting. Dropped the puppy off at my family members on Monday, since they're back from vacation, and catching up cleaning because BW did not enjoy the puppy. Puppy was not harmed, obviously. I would not let that happen. So he got mad that there was another lovable animal. So I'm just doing my responsibilities, making plans, and enjoying catching up with you guys as I make these. I was like, oh, I'm gonna try to get more done. I just want to figure out editing, where I can and if I can. I can't help, it's my OCD doing that. And with my blessing, you will hear my blessing, but you will not see my blessing. Protecting. And I'm having to argue with a tomato. It's okay. Anybody wants to know how my OCD works, it's very different. I don't get down to numbers. I don't know if I've ever really talked about it. So I clean down to detail. I don't put that on anybody else. I'm the one who does it. And I do get overstimulated and overwhelmed because I can clean something and then if it is a huge mess, not by a child obviously, but by a grown adult, it's gonna upset me because I thought to myself, I just got done doing so good, why did that have to be done? So and I have to get some more project done today, more deep cleaning. I'm grateful I have RoboVac. That helps me a lot before mopping. I keep that going honestly just until the battery does have to charge it, other than emptying it. Then I could start mopping. I find it so much easier because as that's going by itself, I'm not physically sweeping and I can get a few other things done, which makes it yay for me. This is good. Yeah, don't mind the French reruns. I still enjoy the show. Can't blame me. And this is also my second batch. I made a good amount. There's a little bit left, so I know I got some left over for later. Well, I am going to pause this for now. It's a short video, but that's okay. I'm going to finish eating, and I'm going to get everything I need to done for today, and I'll catch up with you guys again soon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.